Hello. Hi friends, this is Pradeep. Now we will discuss about the database adapter, how to be used in the bpel of 11.1.1.3 version. So we'll go to the console. There we'll be having the services. Under this, you'll be finding the JDBC data source. Click on the data source and create new one. Provide the name as demo ds. Name as JDBC hyphen demo ds. Copy this into your one of the notepad, this JNDI name. Next, next, next. Database name is XC. It's a local host. Username is system and the password as manager. Confirm password as manager. Next, test the configuration. Connection was just succeeded. Connection test succeeded, and then go for next and select the server as SOA server and then finish it. Now created one of the data source for that one. So you want to go to the developments, go to the DB adapter, go to configuration, outbound connection pools, create new one, select this one, press the next button, provide as EIS EIS JDBC demo DB. Copy this JND name, then finish. Okay, already the plan has been, so that's why it asks us to modify it. Yeah, so it has been, changes has been done here. Okay, once again go into the deployments and select the DB adapter and update it. Next, finish it. See, all changes have been active. No restores on SLS. Selected deployments listed. So now we'll create one of the table in our database. Create table student as number of 4, student name to of 100, and S class as var to of 40. So we created the missing right pandas. Where I have been, Mr. My dear. Tier table stood. S number, grapho, S name. Now I created the table. So describe std the table. So we are having 3 columns. So now check the table is having any data or not. So let's start from student. So we are not having any data. So okay, now we'll create, we'll go to the developer and I created the application. It's a DB application. Next, DB adapter project. Select server. Next, compose it with bpel process. It's a DB adapter bpel process. So it is synchronous. Okay. See, we got, when I create the project, we will get these are the minor things which we'll be getting. So classes, test suits, XSD, XSL, business rules, composer.xml, and bpel visual component type. So in the composer.xml, drag your database adapter and place it here. Select the service time as D, and connection will provide some connection to its system manager. Will test the connection. So it is success. Then press OK. Then what is the JND name we have been provided here? Just copy this one. Yes, JDBC demo of DB. Next. So here, if you go it here, go to configuration here. If you go here, demo database, what is the source name is here is we forgot to give the JDBC demo ds. So provide this value here and save it. Once again go to the deployments, set the DB adapter and update it. Next, finish. We are not established the connection between the data source and our deployment where you have been deploying. So now you establish the connection. Okay, so what operation you want to perform is insert or update only. You are selecting here. So which table you want to select it here? By using query, we'll get the table names here. This is a student table. Press OK. So next, so here you want to select the primary key defined. I'm setting as yes number. There is a relationship, so we are not having relationship, so I'm going for next. These are the columns which you are having. So here it's not, if you want to do any that means how much time this table should activate in, how many times that trigger, all the things we can specify it here. Finish it. Now it doesn't require, so just I done this one. Just drop it and go it here. Take the invoke activity, join these two, create one input variable. Okay, now go to the here DB adapter bpel process. You are having only one input and one output. If you go to d underscore table which has been created by the through your student which you have been created, so here how many input variables you are having? If you see it, 3 inputs. These to be mapped with this. So go to the source, student number, student name, student class, and then save it. Take the transform activity, input, here select as in look activity, apply, select the student collection, go to add accessory for each, S number to SNO, S name to S name, and class to S class, and then save it, close it, make the apply, and OK. Validate this one, and if you check the tables, what we got is JCA will say to what is the relation to us between the database and our BPEL process. It will explain this JCA, and this also what is the mappings and what are the properties you are having. These two will be explained to us. Deploy DB adapter, next finish. Sorry. It's a deployment finished. So we'll go to here, so info under the default we are having DB adapter project, go to test, so serial number 1, this is Pradeep M, student class, so BPEL class test web service. Now go to your database and run your start one. So here the data has been inserted. So from this way you can insert the database into the data. Okay.